Hi guys, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to enable or disable Vibrate when answer calls on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. So okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you all have to do is go to phone application on your Samsung Galaxy A02. Here in phone, go to 3 dot on the right side on your screen. Okay, tap the 3 dot and the pop-up show. Okay, go to settings. Here in settings, go to call alerts and ringtone. Okay, tap this. Here in call alert and ringtones and call alert section, you can see the vibrate when answered. And on the right side, you can see the switch button. And to enable the vibrate when answer calls, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully enabled. And to disable again, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully enabled or disable vibrate when answer calls on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.